In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook junk mail settings. Managing junk mail effectively can really make a difference in how you handle your emails, ensuring that important messages aren't lost and unwanted spam doesn't clutter your inbox. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and clear. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Outlook account. Head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. This is where you'll begin the process of tweaking those junk mail settings. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're comfortable using a saved password feature, it can make this part quicker, but for security reasons, always be cautious with where and how your passwords are stored. After navigating to the login page, you'll want to click on the sign in option. This is a straightforward step, but remember, having your account information up to date is important. If you encounter any issues such as forgetting your password or your email address not being recognized, make use of the recovery options provided by Microsoft. They're there to help you regain access swiftly. Once you've successfully signed into your Outlook account, the next step will be to go to your mail. This is typically the default section you access after logging into your Outlook account, but in case it isn't, you can find it by looking for the mail icon or the option labeled mail on your Outlook home screen. This section is the hub for all your email correspondence and where we'll make those vital adjustments to your junk settings. With your mail open, direct your attention to the settings. You'll usually find the settings icon in the upper right hand corner. It's often represented as a gear or cogwheel. Clicking on it will reveal a drop down menu. If at any point this step seems difficult to find, remember, Outlook frequently updates its interface, so things might look slightly different than what you see now, but the gear icon is a staple, so look around that area. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the mail option. This section is crucial because it guides you through various general settings impacting your entire mail experience. Under mail, you have a whole host of options, ranging from layout adjustments to more advanced tweaks specific to your emailing needs. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with these options if you're curious. They allow for customization that can tailor your Outlook experience to suit you. Now it's time to focus on the junk email settings. Click on junk email and you'll find that this area is quite specialized. It allows you to control spam and secure your inbox so that you only see the emails that matter. Adjusting these settings can drastically reduce the time spent filtering through junk. In the junk email section, you have several options to configure. For instance, you can add and remove email addresses to the safe senders list, ensuring emails from trusted sources will always land in your inbox. You can also manage your blocked senders list. Any addresses listed here will automatically be diverted away from your inbox, freeing you from the hassle of unwanted mail. There are other settings you can leverage too, such as managing international spam. This is a useful feature that can help prevent spam from specific regions. If you find certain locales are particularly problematic, consider experimenting with how strict you want your junk mail filter settings to be. Outlook allows for filters ranging from lenient to exclusive, offering varying degrees of protection against unwanted emails. If you find that maintaining an inclusive list is overwhelming, Outlook's filtering suggestion tools can be of assistance. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to save them. This is crucial because if you navigate away from this section without saving, you could lose the adjustments you've just put in place. To take things further, if you use Outlook on different devices, repeat these steps to ensure your preferences are applied consistently, especially if you notice discrepancies or receive unexpected junk mail on a specific device. Syncing your preferences across all devices guarantees a seamless user experience. That covers our guide on changing your Outlook junk mail settings. With these strategies, you can now enjoy an inbox that's more relevant and less cluttered, optimizing your time and enhancing your ability to focus on meaningful communications. Keep following such practices to ensure your emails are always in the best shape possible. Thank you for joining in on this walkthrough. We hope it has been both informative and empowering, allowing you more control over your digital correspondence. Until next time, enjoy a cleaner, more organized inbox.